Have you ever seen trees like these, like cotton trees in Jamaica?
No. No. It would make a hell of a tree house. Exactly.
Amazing. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Now who wanna place this up in here?
Yes.
Who would you know?
They say tree them 1,000 year old.
1,000. There, these trees are. I want you to hear from the legend himself. I'm too young to utter those words. Tell him,
Because I
Fitz.
hear they say that they are 1,000 year old tree.
1,000 years old.
I read.
If you come here and look at the bark, straight to the top of that one. Look at the bark on the tree, go right to the top of the top one. You can see that it's an old tree.
Yeah, man.
And cotton trees don't get that tusk on the bark far up.
Oh,
Right.
Not that deep.
okay.
No.
That means it's old.
It's old. And the forest department come here and,
Really?
and they check it out all the while.
Oh,
Yeah.
they want to see if it's safe.
Yes.
Because tourists come.
Yes, and nobody
Visitors
don't damage.
come.
Nobody don't
something
damage the
could
tree.
fall.
Yes. I mean, you don't damage
So
it.
an expert tree guy came here probably
Yes, yes.
to get up there.
And I see tourists that come in here that work at the forest department in America and say these trees should be protected. They are
Right.
old and very important.
National
trees.
treasure.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So we are actually
So-
on the highest point in Westmoreland.
He was probably more interested to look at this one than this one. This one is not
It's not as old as
yeah.
that one.
Yeah. And I can see up there what it's that big
Yeah.
limb so that would be yeah, it's weird how high it can be with such a big
Yes. Yeah. Body.
yeah.
I don't know about that.
So I saw another huge one over there, right down in the valley there. There's another huge one, right?
Two of them. Two of them
Two of
down.
them. Oh,
Yeah, two of them
double.
down. The body down.
Yeah. So are those basically the same as these?
Not the size.
Oh really? These are bigger.
These are bigger.
Wow, okay.
It coming like the first owner of the property plant those trees.
Oh,
When
he-
they come here and see these, you know,
Ah,
they figure
oh,
more
and
that
two.
maybe if they die, they have two more.
oh, cool.
So I believe
Oh,
that
yeah.
they plant that for the purpose down
So they look bigger because you've got a different view.
there. Right from top going
than-
looking down.
than be, yeah.
Because a two tree make that massive amount of a limb like a this down there. You know?
Look at that limb. Oh my God. It's like its own tree. It's like a tree. The limb is a tree.
Like a tree itself. One stretch all the way gone right round. See what
Yeah,
you
that
want?
one, yeah.
Yeah. You can go and eat there and look
You know
up,
what?
you
The
know?
amazing thing.
Yeah.
Imagine the root system
Oh my God.
that is under these trees. Just these two trees.
Yes.
The root system.
Yeah.
There's a cave underneath here.
There you go.
Solid rock, there's a cave down there.
There you go.
You can see tree root like this size.
Growing now.
Go come out right down to the ground.
Cool. You look up, you see.
Yeah. But
see roots.
we lock it off down there.
Really?
Yeah, we close the hole from people.
Wow.
Because people will go down there.
Yes, they will. You know, people are curious like that.
Yes, they will go down there.
Wow.
Big cave area under there. Yeah. Go by them.